This is my go-to fruit salad. Fresh, colorful, and tossed in a honey lime dressing. You're gonna make this one on repeat. Let's get started. First, the dressing, and it's super simple, just 3 ingredients. Start by zesting your lime, then squeeze 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. The zester and the citrus squeezer make this super easy. I will link to my favorite tools in the notes. I also love to add some finely chopped fresh mint. This is optional, but it does add amazing flavor to this fruit salad. Next, we chop up all of our fresh fruit, and what I love about this salad is the dressing works for just about any fruit, so use what's in season and make this fruit salad year-round. We'll start by peeling and slicing a pineapple, and if you struggle with buying pineapples, check out my video on how to pick a ripe pineapple. Also, chop all your fruit into even bite-sized pieces, that way you get a little bit of everything in every forkful. I also love the color that fresh kiwi adds to the salad, and here's a brilliant way to cut your kiwi. Start by slicing off the ends, then insert a spoon between the skin and the flesh. Rotate your spoon all the way around and the skin comes right off, then simply chop it up and add it to the bowl. Next, hull and slice some fresh strawberries. Of course, if you can get in-season strawberries, your salad will taste even better. For adding mandarins, I love to just cut them in half, then push out the segments, no peeling required. And the pieces are perfectly bite-sized. Of course, you can peel and separate those mandarin segments the traditional way if you have nothing better to do. For the grapes, I use the same trick that I use for cherry and grape tomatoes. Put them between 2 plastic lids and slice with a serrated knife. It cuts them in half perfectly. Now just arrange all of your fruit in the bowl. I like to keep it separately until ready to serve. It just looks so beautiful this way. Now all you have to do is pour the dressing over and give it a good toss. Syrupy and amazing, and I wish you could just smell it. It's the simplest, but so good. And now just toss to combine. Yummers. You guys, I look forward to this salad so much. My mouth is watering because I know how good that dressing is. Once it's all like evenly coated and saucy, you can enjoy it. And you can also garnish with a little bit more zest or a little bit more mint if you want to. I'm just gonna dish it up because I cannot wait for this taste test. Look at this, so fresh, so vibrant, and just all the happy colors of summer. I bet this would be good with basil too. If you wanted to try, let me know. I'm using a spoon because I want to get a little bit of everything in my bite here, and I feel like a spoon is the best way to accomplish that. Nailed it. Okay, here we go. I want to sing. So good. Zingy and lightly sweet from the honey. And remember, if you have really sweet fruits, like middle of summer kind of fruit, you can use a little bit less honey. But I feel like this is just the right balance between the honey and the lime juice. It just like totally amps up every flavor of fruit in here. So, so good. Honey, you have to try this. Coco wants to say hello. And while you're here, you don't mind using the same spoon as your wife. Here you go. Isn't that good?
Wow.
It's so good. It's so good. Make this, you'll make it again and again. It seriously is a crowd favorite. I actually love when there's a little bit of leftover because I can put it over my yogurt parfait in the morning. It's so yummy. And it's just like once the flavors have melded together, it's almost like dessert, but much healthier, obviously. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any other recipe requests, and let me know where you guys spotted Sharky in the video, and we'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. All right. Bye now. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this and get a little bit more. Don't judge me. Oh, it is so fresh, so fresh. Okay, see you later.